Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is just basically a quick tutorial on how I created this bomb ass wig. I actually love this wig. I'm just going to take you through to the process of like how I dyed it this color, and yeah, so if you'd like to see how I created this unit, please keep watching and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notifications button. Start off, ladies, I'm just going to begin by bleaching my wig. I'm going to be using my cream developer at 1.9% volume and my blue bleach powder. First things first, I'm just going to take my gloves, because we do need to wear gloves, ladies, when we're bleaching hair. I'm just going to literally pour my bleach powder into a bowl, and I'm also just going to pour my developer in there and just give that a good mix. I'm just going to take my brush and apply the bleach throughout the whole wig. I'm going to take my Schwarzkopf hair dye in Cranberry Bliss, and I'm literally just going to mix that together. Sorry guys, I wasn't able to show you you know what I exactly mixed together, but it literally just comes in the box, and I literally just poured all of that into the bowl and just mix that together. And now I'm just going to put my wig in sections and literally just dye the whole wig. When you are dyeing your wig, I would say it's really good to just use a comb, just to comb out your wig. This just helps to make sure that the dye has been distributed throughout the wig and you haven't missed, you know, any sections out. Yes, come through, come through. I love, love, love the color already. So I'm just gonna let that sit for about 45 minutes. So this is how the color came out. I washed the hair, I conditioned it, I blow dried it, and I love, love, love the way it looks. Just look at the quality, guys. Like the hair just bounces and it moves, you know. I love I love good quality hair that moves with you. Like when the wind blows, your hair's blowing with you. Okay, so let's get into straightening. I'm going to be using my heat protector spray. Everything that I'm using, guys, will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I'm going to be using my hot comb. This hot comb is actually from Kendra's Boutique. I love it. It goes really, really high. It goes up to 250 Celsius. And it's just amazing. Like, can you see how the closure just melts? Like how it just lays flat. This hot comb will have your wig laying super, super flat. It's amazing, guys. It honestly just changed my life. Seriously. Guys, I've officially launched my very own wax sticks. Yay! This wax stick is amazing, and I'm not just saying it because it's my own wax stick, but just look at what it does to the wig. It lays the wig super, super flat. You can use this for your wigs, you know, you can use it with or without a hot comb. It just kind of eliminates all the frizz and just lays it super, super flat. So I will be leaving the link to these wax sticks in the description box, so you can purchase yours today. And I'm also giving away, I've also got a discount actually, 10% off for the whole month of October. So guys, get purchasing. So guys, to curl my hair, I'm going to be using the Bar None curling iron in 38mm. I love, love, love this curling iron. It's not too thick, not too small. It's just the right size, and it kind of just gives me the like nice bouncy curls, like almost like a blowout look.
So I'm gonna let these curls sit for about half an hour just so it's nice and tight.
And this is the final look, guys. I love, love, love this color. What do you guys think? Please give me a thumbs up if you do love this color. Let me know in the comments what you think about this color. This unit will be on sale, so I will leave the link in the description box if you like one of these units. So the hair texture is so lovely, so soft, so silky, no shedding whatsoever. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Hello to all my new subscribers. I will promise you that there'll be content every week. I'm trying my hardest, but it's hard to be, you know, a working mom and, you know, do YouTube and still do wigs and work and everything like that. So, but yeah, I will try to put out some content every week, and do let me know in the comments as to what you'd like to see next. And yeah, let me know your thoughts, guys. Bye.